Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will like to show you the way how to manage your post visibility on a TikTok application. So the post visibility settings will help you to set either the post or the content that you have been created can be accessed by public or only your friends or only yourself. So to manage the post visibility, you just need to visit your profile right here, and right after that you need to see on the top right corner there will be three straight lines. Just go click them, and after that go click the settings and privacy. Now you just need to scrolling down until you found the activity center, and this activity center there will be several options so that you can find. But then if you want to manage the post visibility, they will be clearly right down here, the manage post visibility, and you just need to click them, and you will be generated into your all posts that you have been created on a TikTok account. And now you just need to adjust which content that you want to set for public, which content that you want to set for your friends, and which content that you want to set for yourself. So here I will let you give you an example. Let's say I will let you make this video become a private. Go click the circles and go click next, and right after that if you want to make them private, go click this only me and just go click updates. And now only you can see this video, so whenever someone visit your profile they will not gonna see this video. You can see on the only me there is one content that you have been moved to here. So that is the way how to manage the post visibility on a TikTok. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you for the next video.